Hey guys, welcome to another video here at Geeksla. So in this video we will have a look on how we can customize the Windows desktop folders to look something like this. The customization of the folders gives a really great look to the collection of series or movies that you have. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is to search for ICO image of the movie whose folder you want to customize. So in our case we will be going with Breaking Bad. So search for Breaking Bad ICO. After searching for the images, then select any one of the image from the list of images that you see, but make sure that it is in the PNG form. Then download any of the images that you like. Once downloaded, then Google search for PNG to ICO converter. Then open the website icoconverter.com from the list of searches that you get. Upload the downloaded PNG and select convert to ICO. Once downloaded, right click on the folder whose icon needs to be changed. Click on the properties and then click on Customize. Then go on and browse for the ICO image downloaded and then click OK. Then after refreshing the page, you can see the changes have been made. Similarly, you can customize the icon of other movies, games and TV series. That's it guys for this video. Hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Until then, see ya.